Hey there, in today's video, we're going to delve into an interesting problem that a colleague encountered at work. The problem revolves around a C++ program that initializes a shared pointer with new int, but surprisingly prints 0 when executed. Quite a head-scratcher, right? This problem is intriguing as it hints at possible undefined behavior lurking within the realms of C++ programming. Now, let's uncover the solution to this enigmatic problem. The line d equals dd in the code snippet invokes d's implicitly defined move assignment operator, with a temporary copy of d as the source of assignment. According to the C++ standard, the assignment of virtual base classes is unspecified. This means that the shared pointer you may end up being assigned more than once, potentially leading to it being left in an empty state. Consequently, when trying to access you, it returns 0, creating the puzzling output observed in the program. In summary, the mysterious behavior of the C++ program is demystified by the peculiarities of move assignment operators and the handling of virtual base classes. With that, we've cracked the code on why the program prints 0 instead of the expected value. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!